Ethereum expected to show a 2% rise by March 24, according to Traders Union. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. Ethereum is now down 2.3% since yesterday and trades just under $2,070.46. Now we move to the analysts' outlooks. Traders Union gives a forecast of $2,109.35 by tomorrow, which would be 2% above today. Cryptonization believes Ethereum could push toward $2,071.89, a potential gain of 0.2%. CoinCodex notes it might drift lower toward $2,062.32, a projected decrease close to 0.3%. A different forecast by CoinLore shows Ethereum could move down toward $2,040, a projected decrease close to 1.4%. Finally, CoinDataFlow sees a move to $1,977.24 by tomorrow, a 4.4% dip. This one gives the best short-term opportunity. 5 expert views are in. Let's head to the next part. All 5 predictions are in. Here's what they collectively suggest. Looking across the collected predictions, the movement in price is estimated between a decline of 4.4% and a gain of 2%, depending on the analyst. In short, CoinDataFlow comes out ahead with 4.4% surge in value by March 24. After adding it all up, you could take in between $2 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, Cryptonization's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with a 93.4% chance of success. By assembling the 5 forecasts, I've presented a unified consensus outlook. Consensus data indicates Ethereum could move toward $2,052.16. Let's take a deeper dive. Consensus outlook signals a 0.8% dip by tomorrow. And by that same percentage, your capital could potentially also grow. In practice, 1,000 might correspond to roughly $8 gained. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 91.3%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. Traders Union suggests Ethereum could slide further. Cryptonization suggests that the near-term outlook points to balance, with prices holding steady. CoinCodex emphasizes a bullish short-term scenario. CoinLore anticipates little change from current levels. CoinDataFlow expects losses to extend. The consensus outlook signals Ethereum moving sideways through this horizon. Overall, 60% of analysts highlight a downward trend for Ethereum. 5 sites posted forecasts 2 days ago. Now we'll check them against yesterday's numbers. As a result, the day wrapped up at $2,053.76. As it turned out, just a fraction of the forecasts matched the move's direction. Gov Capital Collector delivered the most accurate forecast. Now it's time to see the outcome more closely. Yesterday's candle included 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by Gov Capital Collector at 2.9%. Let's move to the summary view. See how all forecasts performed overall. In the data, Cryptonization shows 90.5% forecast probability and minus 4.7% ROI. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast. Base returns vary between Ethereum and several others. Ethereum is positioned at 4th place, with Solana leading overall at 3%. Here Ethereum is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more, along with detailed analyst accuracy data, will soon be available on my website and Telegram channel. If you found this useful, a like and a quick subscribe would mean a lot. Bye bye.